So today I will show you how you can open up a browser inside Unreal Engine. I think this is useful for your build game, and also you can use this method in the pixel streaming services. So if I call it with this cube, it will pop up a widget and it says click me. If I click this one, yeah, it will open up a web page like I set it on google.com. If I go to YouTube, so here's a YouTube, then okay, so okay, we found a sports. Then if we play this video, so yeah, it's currently playing the video. It has also the audio. It's working fine. If I click this button, it will cross this one. Okay, so let's get started. So first, I have created a widget blueprint. I think you know how to create a widget blueprint. Go to user interface, go to widget blueprints. So in the widget blueprint, I have attached a canvas panel, then a button, then a image. The button is this one and the image is this one. So you can attach any image as you want for the cross one. And there is our web browser. So the web browser you can find on your experimental and web browser. And if you don't see any web browser under the experimental, you go to plugins, then search for web, PROW, there's web browser. You should turn it on and restart your engine, and it will populate here. So you drag this one and it will go here. So here you have to attach the URL. So on the default side I attached google.com, and you can attach whatever you want. It will redirect to that site. So after that I have created a base widget. So here is the canvas panel. There's a button, there's a text called click me. And okay, oh, didn't I show you the programs? Okay, so here is this close button. If we click this close button, it will remove from the parent. So this widget will be gone. So this is the close, this is this button working. And for the base class program, if we click this button on the graph editor, as you can see, it will redirect to this widget panel and it will add to viewport. That's it, that's simple thing. And for the overlap, I mean this cube overlap, I just added a cube here, and on the event graph I added some nodes like event actor begin overlap. Then I created a base widget with this class. Then I set the widget, then add to viewport. And for the mouse inputs, I mean for the cursor show, I set input mode UI only. And then I also set show the mouse cursor, like it will not hide the mouse cursor in the game if you overlap this cube. And for that I attach the get player controller into base widget, set input mode UI only, and for the mouse cursor, I think, yeah, you get the idea what's this blueprint going on. And that's how I'm getting this result. Okay, you click me.